Hi, good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I am Sharina Orungan. I'm 36 years old. I'm solo parent. I have two kids. Their ages 19 years old and 16 years old. I'm high school graduate.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong for the needs of my family, study, and future.
Do you have working experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have work experience in Kuwait, 2 years and 8 months, Oman, 4 years and 2 months, Qatar, 1 year and 1 month.
What are your duties and responsibilities to your employer?
Do cleaning, gardening, ironing, wash clothes and dishes.
Did you take care of baby, child, or elderly?
Yes, I take good care of child and elderly, sir.
Can you tell us how can you take care of them?
I feed them and go in the what is this? Bathing and play with them.
Aside from taking care of them, what is your skills?
Cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
I am loyal and hardworking and trustworthy.
Lastly, anything else you want to tell to your future employer?
Hi, Madam and Sir. Please select me because I am hardworking and flexible and trustworthy. Thank you.